Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Rebecca Speech, an art teacher from Illinois. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca and today I want to show you how to use dots and dashes to create a very cool artwork. In my case, I'm going to show you two different samples. So you're going to need a few things: blank paper, a pencil, and a set of markers. So take a moment, grab those few things, and meet me back here so we can get this project started.
Using a blank sheet of paper and a pencil, lightly draw a subject of your choosing. In my case, I decided the first initial of my name is what I was going to go with. Since my first name is Rebecca, I'm doing a capital letter R. Feel free to do the same or choose something completely different. If you use your imagination, I bet you can come up with a lot of different things. Select the markers that you would like to work with. I'm sticking with a rainbow pattern. Then, using dotted strokes, begin filling in your subject. When you're doing this strategy, make sure to keep the dots within the shape that you've drawn. While I was coloring, I paid attention to how much white paper was showing on my letter. I wanted to make sure that I got a good amount of it covered, because if I left too many empty spots, it wouldn't look quite finished. The more dots that you use in a certain area, the denser or richer the color will appear. Once you're done coloring, take an eraser and remove the pencil. This is the finished product. Pretty easy, and it looks really cool. Now let's try a different way. Here's another version of the same project. This time, instead of doing the letter of my first name, I'm doing a cute little heart. Just like before, pull the colors that you'd like to work with and then start filling in your subject. Instead of using dots this time, try dashes. It gives a different visual effect. Whichever style you decide to go with, don't forget to take a photo of your finished artwork to post on your Artsonia account. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your artwork on Artsonia.